Hey guys, welcome back. Here's Sophia coloring these reindeers I got for $1 that I showed you guys in my last video. That was the Christmas decor haul. I'm using this reindeer ribbon. I'm gonna start by putting it on these glass containers. I'm gonna be using these containers for the kitchen. I'm gonna put some candy in there, and I'm also gonna glue on the reindeer that Sophia was coloring. And here I just glue on the reindeer that I told you guys about. This is how they look. I think they're simple but cute for the kitchen. This wreath, I'm gonna put some LED lights first, then spray the fake snow on it. I'm gonna be using a red bowl for the bottom, some pine cones, and the Merry Christmas signs. Next day, I decided to put on some ornaments just because I thought it looked so simple. So, yeah. So here's how it looks. This DIY, it is super simple and easy. All you need is a picture frame and a gift bag. For these, I think these are cute and simple, and you could just put them next to the coffee bar or any table, and I just think it looks so cute. So this is the sign I told you guys about on my last video. So we just started to sand the sign, then we went on with some white paint, and this took days just because we had to do a couple coats on it. And I just painted the whole sign white. Here's Adrian doing the letters just because my writing is not the best. So Adrian just did the outline for the letters, and then I'm just going to, actually Sophia is gonna color them in. And what I did this small wreath with some garland that I had, some old garland I had in these old bowls. So I just cut a piece of it and turn it into a small wreath. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue this to make the letter O. And that's what it's looking like. Now I'll show you guys the end results when Sophia colors the letters. Here's how the sign came out. It looked better than how I expected it to be. I thought it was gonna be more simple, and this is just a lantern I did. Another super easy DIY, I got these canes and I wanted to add some bows so it doesn't look too simple, and I think they came out so cute. And yeah. So here I am making a lantern I saw on Pinterest. This one is for my grandma that passed away. I added some fake trees, some fake snow, and I did put some LED lights on there. So I've been looking for a rocking chair everywhere and I just couldn't find one. So I just took this Santa ornament apart and it was perfect for what I was looking for. And I just wrote the words on the glass, and it just says, Christmas in heaven, what do? They come down to earth to spend it with you, just to save them a seat. Just one empty chair, you may not see them, but they will be there. Here's another lantern. This one's gonna go outside for the front door with the next to the sign that I did. This is simple. I just used the red fake tree, some fake snow, and I did put some LED lights, but I just forgot to show you guys. This is how it came out, and this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys on my next video.